the horizon, we have the Partnering Pedagogies lesson plan, and that is a student-centered web-enhanced lesson, and you're required to submit Part A. And so if you click on course assignments and you scroll down on the page, you'll be able to see the information about the main assignment, and also you'll see the specific information for Part A. So some of the highlights related to this assignment is that it's one assignment. It's just going to be submitted in 3 parts. And here you'll see the different parts in which this is divided. Below that is the information about Part A, and then Part B, and you'll also find Part C. So for each particular part, you'll have a separate submission place, but it's only one paper. So you're going to keep on adding to the same paper as the term goes on. So you'll keep on submitting the same paper in different places. Another reminder is that it's a lesson plan, and that means there's no need to implement it in the classroom. You're just going to write a plan for a lesson. And finally, the assignment requirements document is linked on the main assignment, and you'll be able to see everything from requirements to evaluation criteria. So if you open that document, the first piece of it is an overview of the assignment, followed by format requirements that apply to all 3 parts. One specific formatting requirement that I want to emphasize right now is the use of headings using Word heading styles. Now, for those of you who do not know how to apply Word heading styles appropriately, I have included a video which now appears in the assignments page right above the Pedagogies lesson plan main assignment link. And that will show you everything you need to know about applying Word heading styles. There are a few advantages of using Word heading styles, and the first one is that you're going to create a document that is formatted to increase accessibility. As educators, we have to have the commitment to prepare materials that are accessible to anybody in our audience, and this is one way that you can increase accessibility in your documents that you produce. The other one is a more selfish goal, because what you can do is, by using Word heading styles, you actually make navigation easier for yourself and for anybody who opens the document. So you don't have to be scrolling all over throughout the document to find the one spot you want to access. You will be able to quickly access the particular section you want to work on by just clicking on the navigation pane. If you remember from the syllabus video, I showed you how to activate that navigation pane so you can quickly access different parts of a document. So that is another advantage. The last one that I will discuss is that it makes it very easy for you to create table of contents. So you don't have to be manually entering all the main headings of the paper and then manually enter the page numbers. You can just right ahead go to the command, insert table of contents, give it a little formatting to it, decide which heading levels to include, and boom, you have a table of contents. And the next time you open the document, if you worked on one section and it went to the next page instead, you don't have to go back to correct that. It'll automatically take care of things like that. So using Word heading styles is going to be a very handy skill, not only for this paper to fulfill these requirements, but for the rest of your life.